Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 23. He who is able, while still here in this world, to withstand before the liberation from the body, death, the impulse born out of desire and anger, he is a yogi, he is a happy man.
Chapter 5, Shloka 23. Shaknoti haiva yas sodum praksharira vimokshanat kama krododbhavam vekam sayukta sasuki narakha.
Chapter 5, Shloka number 23. In the previous shloka, Lord gave Arjuna the reasons why not to pursue joy through the sense objects, and that he should be wise and seek that which is permanent, the infinite bliss. In this shloka, he warns all seekers about the wicked enemy of the path of bliss. He warns that it is the most difficult thing to deal with and is the source of all evil. He is preparing the seeker to put mighty effort and become a yogin. The impulse born of desire and anger is the greatest enemy. There is great contrast between the present condition of confusion, delusion, and grief from which we are suffering, and the picture of the man of perfection, full of dynamism and calm, painted earlier. That Arjuna in his present state may not feel that it is difficult, impractical, or impossible to discover the self. Lord gives an assurance that it is possible and man is capable of living that perfect joy in this very world, provided he is ready to make adjustments and pour out his best. Each one of us has the instrument which has to be tuned first before it can be used. We also have to learn the art of using the instrument. When we continuously think of an object, then our thoughts gather force and it becomes a desire. The ego weaves a delusory pattern with the thoughts which promises it a greater joy in the future, called desire. Then we are forced to act to fulfill the desire. If there is an obstacle which comes between us and the object of our desire, then the outburst of the emotion towards the obstacle is called anger. In the ladder of fall, this causes delusion, loss of memory, loss of discrimination, and finally destruction. When there is no desire, there is freedom from likes and dislikes. He who has overcome these two impulses, powerful and irresistible, can come to live in this imperfect world without getting affected and enjoy true and steady happiness. Therefore, Lord urges Arjuna to evolve, to renounce his impulses of desire and hatred, and live perfectly happily even while in this body, among these objects, in this very world. More in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.